Hi there, I'm Ben Bulling and I'm the Project Manager for Aurora Energy. I'm looking after the Otago Harbour crossing project. It's a very exciting project we're about to embark on. It's the installation of 3 new submarine cables. The existing overhead line has reached the end of its serviceable life, and so has the existing submarine cable, which was installed in 1947. So today we have Seaworks on site. They're going to be doing a seabed survey using divers, and the purpose of the seabed survey is to ensure that there's no underlying objects within the cable path. It's something we need to know now so that we can either design around those objects or look for an alternative route.
My name's Matt Fabish, Managing Director of Underwater Solutions, and we're down here as part of the Seaworks diving team, undertaking a diving survey of the proposed new power cable route. The combined team down here is Underwater Solutions and Seaworks working for Aurora Energy. The project is 2 new power cables going from Port of Otago across with a link across the Quarantine Island. What we're currently doing involves diver survey from one side to the other, continuous, so we're doing multiple tasks at once. We're probing the seabed every 50 metres for 1.5 k's, so it's quite a lot of work to determine the nature of the seabed and the density of the seabed. And then another task at the same time, we're doing a continual video looking for any artefacts or anything they don't know is there that could be an issue for the cable route. So we're videoing from side to side, and so far we haven't found anything interesting. So we've only got about a day left on the surveying side, and then it goes off into the design team. And I think the current plan, they're hoping to install the cables around April 2021.
This is a once-in-a-lifetime project for myself, for Aurora, for our team. Everybody's really getting in there, supporting it and doing their best to make sure it's successful. We're doing all of the design in-house, they've done a fantastic job, and now it's down to getting to the delivery phase of the project, which in true will make our harbour back to a more pristine landscape, and will also provide ongoing reliable supply to our customers in Portobello and the wider Otago Peninsula.